Mwarimu murungamiri wa cukuru ya Meru National Polytechnic ni achiethirite Antone Acheke nyuma yawe kuremwa gutariria buria cukuru iyo itumirite milioni 19 ndene ya mwaka jumwe. Mwarimu uju okari imbere ya kamiti ya kithomo ndene ya mbunge nene iretongeretwe ni mubunge Jack Wamboka. Kamiti iji ni chokete ya muriko utumiri bwa ngiri magana jairi o mweri kwagirithia mutambo jwa procurement juria juthiritwe juti kurita ngugi. Boniface Mongera katumenyithie.
Nawe mwalimu munene wa skuru ya Meru National Polytechnic na chithirite Antone Acheke nyuma mukwethirwa akereithia nikikuthirite kuna utumiri botho kubambesha mwingi skuru neu. Mwalimu mutembe kigige na rugamanire na kuthirwa akirema gucokia biuria nkabo ya kwangerekano niki antu baritaire bendete kuthirwa bakiona mishara niki antu bangi bathatu kwa miaka kathomba bendete kuthirwa bakiona mushara mitathatu kumakiri banki thatu.
An employee appeared twice in the payroll within bank accounts. This employee, if he was paid 3 times, was he ordered by the principal or in the authority to refund the money?
The principal said money was not lost.
Yes. How was it not lost if it was paid in the bank account?
Principal,
yeah.
If the money was paid to 3 different bank accounts, how was money not lost? Or did you recover this money from these individuals?
Chair, I wish to ask for some time to be able to answer those questions.
One person has been paid thrice. Yeah, several employees, and I've seen some here who had already retired and they are there. So we'll take your guidance, but Chair, this is a very straightforward thing. It is just the auditor here to confirm that it is true. Then the person who is liable to be surcharged.
Kingi na giki nene kiria kirigariria kiama bakamite ukuthira skuru ya Meru National Polytechnic ni ndirete kwethira ikiria shilingi ngiri magana jairi o mweri junthe kiri mutambo jura jwa kwamire miaka kathomba.
By the time we were purchasing this software, we got it at around a cost of 12 million. And it had...
In 2019, 12 million?
Yes.
Chair, I would request that also in the additional documents that are being requested, you bring the entire contract. We review that contract. And in the process also we want the supplier on board to be part and parcel of what we'll be discussing, or the people will meet in the future to tell us, first you tell us why you've not been able to, as a contract manager, to ensure that it's effectively operational, and 2, also for the vendor to tell us why he was paid a lot of money, 2019, 12 million, and the system has not been operating, because that is not the way we want to. In fact, that vendor should have been blacklisted. There's no value for money.
Mnaku na bokorigaria amoko drotongir boskuri bodrito bumenya mutambo jwa akomere meka kathomba akia mebarigarerwe na bitho procurement akora mukudira jokia biuria nikiatagitire contract ye no ntoendelea kulembeje ciaritwa ni nyambeje chedrikare.
There were remedies in the contract. Yes.
Which are?
On non-performance, there's an option to terminate with notice. There are also liquidated damages. I'm sure about that.
So it has not performed. How much liquidated damages have you applied?
None so far.
Mwana kuna kwa kukethira kuno chonkoli wa kinde ni botubiri wa mbesha bora bujikire na gichungu cha forensic audit. Mwalimu mutembe okigige amwanjure bakethira besho kera kare kiri kamiti kuchoke biuria na njire kireke.
The principal is misleading this committee because from the look of things I think we should
very serious
issues for forensic audit.
Why didn't he prepare and come with the answers then when you are coming? Because he's not taking this work serious.
Okay, reporter Ntoshero TV kumaje kingine ngine nekine kimsho Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.